Hey friends, a lot of users have been asking where do screenshots go? So let us take a screenshot and check this. Press Windows Shift and S and this will open the sniping tool. I will take a screenshot. Now I will open the screenshot and I will click on save, and the first place where it should go is to the screenshots folder. Okay, but I can change this location, so I will copy the idle location from here. Okay, it is C drive users, the username, pictures and screenshot. I will copy it, press Windows plus R to open the run window, paste it here and hit enter. So this is where all the screenshots go. Now these are supposed to be temporary files. Okay, if you perform a disk cleanup, they will be removed. So if you wish to save this screenshot to a better location, click on the save button and then choose the location. Let's say that the location is desktop. You can save it here. Here's one thing, you're saving it to the desktop, right? And you can access it from here, but why isn't it being saved in the general pictures folder? Why is it only being saved as a temporary file? Because unless you hit the save button, it won't be saved here. The pictures folder is linked to OneDrive and it doesn't upload to OneDrive directly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.